Listen to the story carefully. Story 186. The Smart Cleaning Station. Jade was looking around her apartment, trying to figure out how to make cleaning more efficient. With everything so automated in 2099, she didn't want to spend any more time than necessary on chores. Echo. Do you have any suggestions for organizing cleaning supplies? Jade asked her AI assistant, who controlled most of her home systems. I recommend creating a smart cleaning station, Echo suggested. You can store all your supplies in one place and I can help you track when things need to be restocked or replaced. Smart cleaning station? Jade asked, intrigued. Yes, Echo explained. In 2099, cleaning supplies are connected to home networks. I'll set up a caddy for you with multi-purpose, eco-friendly cleaners that can be activated by voice command. I can also schedule cleaning robots to tidy up automatically when you need them. Jade smiled as Echo displayed a 3D model of her future cleaning station. That's perfect. I'll never waste time searching for supplies again. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.